Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today I'm doing a short video about this Ratchet universal socket tool. It's a wrench tool with a socket that can pick up easily hooks and rings. Let me open it up and take a quick look and do a quick test. This is the socket, which can take rings and hooks. This is the tool, and don't you like that sound? The socket with fits, rings, bolts, hooks, everything you need to attach with a little force. It will pick it up like that. Looks good on first sight. We're gonna keep it a short video, so quickly go outside and give it a test. Okay, we are outside and I just made a quick setup. So let's see how it works. On the ring, on the hook, on the bolt, it all picks up very well. Even the smaller one. So the final result, I think it's a very nice tool. The rattle works fine, attaches easy, works both ways, and it picks up the rings and the hooks very good. With the bolts I had a little problem, but I didn't push hard enough. But finally, for €6, I think this is a tool you should buy. It's always handy, and you can just put some more force on the hooks and the rings. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. And for me, it's important that you like this video and give a comment. I would like to have some feedback on my videos. That would be very nice. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.